This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making an egg and luncheon meat sandwich. Luncheon meat or spam has gotten fancy nowadays. It comes in all sorts of flavors. For this sandwich, the rectangular shaped luncheon meat works well here. If you find it difficult to release the luncheon meat from the can, give the sides a little squeeze to introduce some air into the can. It will then pop out easily. Cut the spam into 1 cm slices. 2 cm if you like more luncheon meat. Over a medium heat, fry the luncheon meat till it's crispy on both sides. You do not need to add any oil here as the luncheon meat is already oily. This should take about a minute or two on each side. Next, we need a sunny side up egg. Fry the egg in the remaining oil from the luncheon meat. Season it with some black pepper. Next, toast the bread in the pan. My pan is too small to fit 2 slices of bread, so I'm doing this one at a time. Now to assemble the sandwich. Ketchup, mayo, luncheon meat, egg, top this with some freshly cut chilli if you like it hot. Top this with tomatoes, and lettuce. This is Egg and Luncheon Meat Sandwich.